Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add leads from 99Acres to ERPNext CRM. So here my objective is that as soon as a new lead will be generated in 99Acres, automatically that same lead should also be added in my ERPNext CRM software. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between these two applications, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect works on two principles, trigger and action. So in trigger, we are going to take 99Acres, and in action we are going to take ERPNext CRM, and we are going to connect both of them in order to automate this entire process. And to learn the entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add leads from 99Acres to ERPNext CRM. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new real estate lead from 99Acres, automatically that same lead should be added as a new lead in ERPNext CRM. Okay, so we are going to create this automation by setting up a connection between 99Acres and ERPNext, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which allows us to connect multiple applications without any coding or programming skills to automate our tasks. So by using it, we are going to set up a connection between 99Acres and ERPNext also. So here, this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save our workflows. As you can find, I have multiple folders over here. I have created them to save my workflows according to my choice on my dashboard. Okay, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Add leads from 99Acres to ERPNext CRM. After giving the name, we also have to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So I'm going to select 99Acres and ERPNext CRM automations folder, and now let's click on create. As we have done that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. So as I told you, that Pabbly Connect works on trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts of the entire automation. So here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take 99Acres in our trigger and ERPNext CRM in our action. And our objective is that whenever a new lead will be generated from 99Acres, that same lead should be added automatically in ERPNext also. So here we can find that our action is following what the trigger commands. Okay, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated from 99Acres, then only it is added in ERPNext, otherwise not. So after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application over here, and our objective is that whenever a new lead will be generated from 99Acres, the response of that lead should be captured here. So for that, our trigger application here will be 99Acres. So let us select that. And now we have to select our trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So new leads will be our trigger event over here. And as we have done that, we can find that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. You need to follow the instructions given over here very carefully to connect your 99Acres account with Pabbly Connect. And the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for sending the leads data from 99Acres towards Pabbly Connect. So to automate the process of lead capture from 99Acres, you will first have to copy the webhook URL, and then you have to configure it in your 99Acres account. And for doing this process, you have to reach out to your account manager from 99Acres. Okay, so why we have to do this? Because 99Acres portal does not have the provision to add the webhook URL in the user interface of their application. Therefore, we have to reach out to our account manager for this process. And once you will send the URL to your account manager, you will start receiving the lead response here in Pabbly Connect. So I have already done this process, so I'm going to wait for the webhook response. And here we can find that I have received the response of the lead over over here in Pabbly Connect. So this is full name, mobile number and email of the lead which is recently captured from my 99Acres account. So this means that our connection between 99Acres and Pabbly Connect is perfectly successful. Now our objective is to add the lead details in ERPNext in order to create a lead there also. So for that we will move towards our action step, and in our action application we will select ERPNext CRM. So let us search for ERPNext CRM over here and let us select that. And now we have to select the action event. So our action event here will be add lead because we want to add the lead there. Okay, let's click on connect. And now from the given options here, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with ERPNext account. When we are going to click on this connect with ERPNext, we will have to enter 3 details over here. ERPNext base URL, app client ID and app client secret. So one by one we have to enter the details, and the instructions to find all these details are given over here. So first of all, let us find and enter the ERPNext base URL. For this, we have to go towards our ERPNext CRM account. So this is my ERPNext CRM account. Now after coming here, we have to look towards the URL of the account. So this is the URL. Now in the URL, we have to copy up till .is. Okay, so let us copy the URL and we will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will paste it over here. Okay, so it is given that if your URL is this, then you have to remove the slash from the URL. So we have already done that. Now the next it is asking us for the app client ID and app client secret. Once again, to find that we have to go towards our ERPNext CRM account, and the instructions to find these details are given over here. For that we have to go towards integration section, auth client, and then we have to click on this add auth client button. And we can find that after the instructions, a hyperlink is also given over here. So let's click on this hyperlink, learn more, and it has taken us towards Pabbly forum page. Now when we will scroll down, the instructions to create auth app is given over here. So it is given that log into your ERPNext account, navigate to integrations section, and then you will find auth client there. You have to click on this add auth client button, and then you have to enter the redirect URL given. Okay, so let me copy this link URL, and then we have to go towards ERPNext CRM account. So let me take you there. After coming back on ERPNext CRM account, we have to go towards the integration section from the left side, and here we can find the option of OAuth client. Let's select that. Now here, in order to create a new auth client, we have to click on this add auth client button, and then we have to give the name to our app. So let's say I'm going to give the name as new test app. And now in these fields, redirect URLs and default redirect URL, we have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly forum page. Okay, so I have pasted both the URLs, and now we will click on save. As we have done that, we can find that app client ID and app client secret are provided to us. So first of all, let us copy this app client ID. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will paste it over here. Now the next is app client secret. So let's once again go towards ERPNext account, and this is our app client secret. So let us copy this also. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect once again and we will paste it over here. Done. We have entered all the details. In the same manner, you have to find all the details, and now we will click, and we can find that yes, with this ERPNext account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So we will move further, and here in order to create a new lead there, we have to enter the details in these fields. So let's start with the first name. Here we have to enter first name and last name separately in these two fields. But as we know that we have not received first name and last name separately in my response, therefore I'm going to separate the name. But in your case, if you are receiving the name of the lead in separated format, then you can directly map that. Okay. So in order to separate the name, I'm going to use one more action step over here by clicking on this add action step button. And here I'm going to use text formatter by Pabbly. Okay, so with the help of text formatter, I'm basically going to split the name. So here our action event will be split text. Let's click on connect. And now here we have to enter the text which we want to split. So I want to split the name which we have received in our earlier response. So we will simply map the data by using our previous step. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and here are all the details. We want to map the name. When we have selected that, it is mapped. So when we have mapped the data, it has become dynamic. That means now with each and every new response, the name is going to be replaced. So whenever a new lead will be generated from 99Acres, automatically this name of the lead is going to be replaced with a new name in this field. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. But in case if we will enter this data manually by copy and pasting or by typing, then it will become static and then it is not going to change with each and every response. So because we want to automate the entire process, therefore we have used mapping over here. Now it is asking us the separator. What value you want to use as a separator to separate the text? I am going to use a space in order to separate these two names. So it is given that in case if you want to use a space, then you have to use it in the given format. So I will simply copy the format and paste it over here. Done. And now it is asking us segment index, that what segment of the entire text you want. So I'm going to select all over here and let's click on save and send test request button. So because we have selected the segment index as all, so we have received both the first name and last name, okay, and the name is split. Now we are going to use this name in order to map the details over here in first name and last name field. So let us map the first name here, and then we are going to map the last name as well. Now the next is the status. So I'm going to select lead over here. In the same manner, we will map the email as well, and at last the mobile number. So it is given that you have to enter the phone number in this particular format, that is along with the country code and a plus sign. So because I have not received the phone number along with the country code, therefore I'm going to manually enter plus and 91 over here. 91 is the country code of India. Now I'm going to enter the country name, that is India, and done. Now let's click on save and send test request button. And we can find that we have received the response over here. In the response, we have received the ID. This means that the lead is created and added in ERPNext CRM. So let's go and check. We will go towards lead section. In the lead section, we can find that yes, a dummy lead is recently created over here with the name as dummy lead. I'm going to open it, and we can find that yes, here are all the details of the lead, the phone number as well as the email address. This means that the workflow is perfectly successful and we have successfully built a connection between 99Acres and ERPNext. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in the workflow. So we have taken very simple steps: trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken 99Acres, and in action, we have taken ERPNext. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated from 99Acres, automatically that same lead will be added in ERPNext CRM. And here in my case, I have applied a text formatter in order to separate the name, which I am not receiving in the separate format. But in your case, if you are receiving the correct format of name, you can directly map that. Okay, you can very easily create this automation by following the same steps. You can also use the same automation workflow. I am going to attach the link of the workflow in the description of the video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.